Hey guys, I'll be doing a quick video here on a very unpopular subject, and that is reporting your profits and losses on your crypto on your taxes. We all got to do it. It's a necessity of life. Guys, just pay your taxes. It's not worth fighting the IRS. They are relentless. They will come after you. Just pay your taxes. That's what I'm going to do. We all got to do it. No one likes it. You got to do it. Also, I'm not a CPA. I'm not a tax expert. Please speak to a tax expert if you want tax advice. I'm just going to cover a tool Coinbase came out with, which has proven to help figure out your profits and losses throughout the year much more easier. So log into your Coinbase account as I've done here. Click on Tools, then go to the Reports tab. As you can see, I've already ran a few reports myself. If you have not, this down here will be blank. You'll click the New Report button over to the right, and you should get a pop-up. Go ahead and change the top drop down to Cost Basis for Taxes, and then choose your crypto. You can see they have bcash, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Go ahead and I'm going to do Bitcoin for this example. Change the tax year to 2017, enter an email address, and they'll send you an email with the report. Click Create Report, and then you should see it pop up down here, and then you can just download it straight from this row. And once you've done that, go ahead and pull open the report, and it's just an Excel spreadsheet. It looks something like this. I've blacked out a few things here because I don't want to completely dox myself on the internet, but I'll quickly go over what this report has. So first things, you can see that they're using the first in, first out method, which is aligned with the new IRS tax code. So they're doing the calculations for you correctly, so that's good. It will show you here your total US dollar amount in purchases throughout the entire year, your total quantity of Bitcoins that you have sold, and then that quantity in US dollars, and then your total gains or losses in US dollars. This number is actually not completely accurate right away. There's a little bit of work we have to do to get that accurate, but it's not too hard, and I will explain that shortly. Actually, I'll explain that right now. So Coinbase automatically assumes that if you send any crypto outside of the Coinbase platform, like to, for example, like a hardware wallet or a paper wallet, it will show up on this report as a sell. And since it's not a sell, it's not a taxable event, you'll have to go through and remove those transactions, which were not a sell. So for example, if you purchased some Bitcoin on Coinbase and then sent it to cold storage, that will show up as a whole other row on this report as a sell. So for example, you can see this transaction here in the middle. I've actually removed the public address of my paper wallet, but I sent some Bitcoin out to a paper wallet and it had the address here. So I'll just come in here and I'll just remove this row to make my total profits and losses accurate. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. So just highlight the whole row, right click, go ahead and just delete that. And as you can see, this number didn't update, so we can just quickly put in an equation here to sum the totals. So go ahead and put equals, and then sum, open parentheses, and then come over here to the gains and losses column and go ahead and click and hold, drag down, highlight all of those, push the enter key, and then you'll get a new update. So now it's the accurate number of my actual capital gains throughout the 2017 year. So that's that. And then if we go through each transaction, it kind of gives you a complete breakdown of exactly what you did. So you can see here that I bought $5,000 worth of Bitcoin at a price of $13,000 a coin, sent it out, sold it using the USD wallet within Coinbase at a price of $17,500 per coin for a profit of $1,730. And then the other transaction was actually a capital loss, and you can see all that. So pretty simple. Makes things a lot more manageable, especially if you're like me and you do a lot of day trading on gdax. At first I was thinking it's going to be madness trying to figure out my cost basis throughout the year, but this tool seems to be a godsend. So that is pretty much it. And you can do the exact same kind of thing for Litecoin or Ethereum or bcash. And then this is, I guess, the number that you'd put on your tax return for capital gains or losses. And again, just want to say it's not worth not paying taxes. Please do it. It's the smart thing to do. You don't want to fight the IRS. So guys, pay your taxes. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching.